god. Guys, you people should just check out. You people should check out. Just check what this two boy just built. What he uses to control the trailer. So the tipper, this dump tipper, and the payloader, and caterpillar. We just use aluminium to build this. I'm hoping I see talent. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. What the designing, the legs. This boy is talented. Guys, let's just share this video. Let's make it better. This boy is talented. You don't mean it. His designing, his finishing, everything was just massive. Oh. Oh my god. Talent today. Talent joke. Just a 17 years old boy from Akwa Ibom. Wow. If this boy should be picked this way now and be trained. Boy will build mountain. Maybe just play. Hey yo, I got the one. No, hey yo. That's what he uses to control it. This boy is good. The boy is good. This boy is good. Guys, share this video. This boy needs to go more. Needs to go far. This boy needs to be trained. Ew. Yeah, the one. I get now. Ew, chin. Ew. Oh. Come on, Ojala. Come on, Ojala. Try. Aku siap berangwa aku tu kira ni jangwa. Lo cha ulanya uroke ha azin ha eliye si di ni mi wanne ya ro anya ni. Nwa di talent ya utoko. Di okay nwa. The boy is good, really. The boy is really good. Hey. Hey.